I think the potential of tulips in China is growing and growing every year because you see the application changing. It started in first only landscaping, but now you see people bringing the tulips inside their house. And it's also not anymore the traditional colors like red or yellow, but nowadays it's more pink and the pastel colors. So you see the taste is evolving, the interest is evolving in tulips. Spring Festival and also Autumn Festival are big celebrations in China. It's kind of a natural growing cycle that you can already force tulips into bloom for the Chinese New Year. But with Mid-Autumn, it's actually interesting that we can use flower bulbs from the southern hemisphere, bulbs that are grown in New Zealand that can already start blooming in September and October in China. And we see that climate is actually more suitable as it gets colder during the season. Tulips like the cold, so the cooler it is, the longer they will last and enjoy.